Well, welcome back to my shower. Does it look like a shower? Yeah, I guess it does. Whoa, let's go. Whoop, whoop, whoa. Some corrugation up there. All right, yes. This is the 1-year redux on the shower. Oop, look up there. Oh, he didn't finish his project. That should be trimmed out. Come on. Really? Well, what better way to show you that it works than to do it halfway and show it still works? This would be, yes, we have a traditional family. This would be my daughter's shower. So she has all sorts of poofy, squishy stuff. I don't know, maybe my son has that too. It's all great. The floor is not part of this deal because if you can't do a shower tile floor, call someone. That is not something to screw up. We happen to be on concrete here, and I guess if it leaked, it wouldn't be the worst thing in the world, but I don't know. Look at that. Look at that. You know what those are? Do you know what those are? Oh my God, who did this thing? He put the barcodes on the inside of the trim. Who does that? Well, hey, I had a lot to do redoing this basement. Screw-ups are inevitable. That's my thought. Embrace it. So I got a lot of questions about things like, did it rust? It hasn't rusted. We haven't done squat to this thing after we put it up. I did put in this shelf. I made this cute little shelf for my cute little daughter. And I did trim this out really nicely. That I did put some effort into. It's all PVC, glued together with PVC cement and some foam in here. And I poured water on it and then took it off and no water went in. So I don't know, I'm sure it's fine. This thing did pass 100% inspection from our local building inspection office. As I said earlier, I did not trim the top on this one. I did trim the other one. I'm not going to edit this video. It's just a quick update thing. So I will do a couple moments of the other shower if my son is awake, which I don't think he is. But I trimmed out the top on the other one nicely. Things I would do differently. Probably the big thing, I didn't trim the side either. I would not use the cheap PL200 adhesive. I would use silicone. I would use some sort of silicone adhesive because this stuff dried up and broke free of the PL. It's on there. Not the best. Still, I have no evidence whatsoever of water leakage. I just keep moving around. Pretty soon you guys will all throw up. If you puke, comment. That'd be awesome. Probably the biggest question I get is, how did you do the corners? Which I thought I covered pretty well in the video, but apparently everybody's still confused about it. That is a corner. So I started out, this is all roofing material, and I got this from Home Depot. You can get it from wherever. I have no endorsement of Home Depot whatsoever, but that's just what's close for all of you probably. This starts out as drip edge, galvanized drip edge. I think it's about 4 inches on each side. It's basically a right angle piece, real thin. Cut it to length, glue it in the corner from below that trim all the way to the ceiling. So there's a piece of drip edge in there, and then I put the galvanized metal on top of that. That's me, look. There I am. That's because it didn't rust. See, if it rusted, you wouldn't see my mug. Looks like I'm in jail. Let me out. Let me out. Uh-oh. So put the drip edge in first, and then after that, you put on the galvanizing. Glue it up, and whammo, you're in business. Look at that, right? Look at that. Easy peasy. So if you have any more questions, leave them in the comments, but I just wanted to show you it did not rust. It doesn't appear to be leaking, and everything seems fine. Thanks for watching.